This 1950 newsreel gives us a good idea what the state of the jewelry industry was at that time.
Plane at Barcelona airport, a famous international jeweler passes through customs with 35 million pesetas, nearly $1 million worth of gems, to be displayed at the International Jewelry Exhibition. This is the first time these fabulous jewels are displayed in Spain before their actual public showing. These treasures by French, English, American, and Spanish designers are among the gorgeous pieces that will lend splendor to beauty throughout the world. Marvelous diamonds that once adorned crowned heads with histories that run back through the centuries to their origin. Rubies from Burma, sapphires from India, emeralds from South America, all these precious stones sparkle in hand-wrought settings, many of which were inspired by the Far East. Classical styles in gold and platinum, set with the finest creations of the world's greatest artisans.